Hi guys, it's Anna
and Rachel.
So today we are thinking of doing something that we've never done before.
And it's like a baking, like cooking kind of tutorial. So today we're going to be
making jelly.
One measuring jug that goes up to at least 1 pint. One big large bowl.
And then your jelly, and we've chosen raspberry jelly.
Harvey's.
That's a good one. And then you just need a spoon. Okay, so most people need to read on the back of it tells you what to do on the back of the thing, but because we're jelly experts, we already know what to do. So we're just going to open up the jelly, and we're just going to...
What it looks like. It smells
it's
very strong.
Okay, so
let me separate it into cubes.
Wait, I'm just going to show them what it looks like. So it's just like that, and it's just in cubes. So we're gonna split it in, and then we're gonna
separate it into 6 cubes each. There are obviously very obvious cubes on the jelly.
They should tell you where to break it up.
And you just
drop them into your glass bowl.
Yeah.
Like this. So this bit's quite simple. I mean, you do need some skill though to separate the cubes. So that's the first thing you need to do. And then your hands will probably be really sticky.
I know. Add half a pint of boiling water.
Here's our jelly in our little bowl. She's just checking that it's exactly half a pint because we want to have perfect jelly.
Perfectly.
But she already did it perfectly. So you just pour it into your bowl, being careful not to splash anyone with the hot water because remember, it's boiling, so it's going to be hot. And then you just gently mix your little mixture so the jelly cubes dissolve into the hot water.
Pretty sure all the cubes have dissolved.
And I just went and got half a pint of cold water.
Make sure you don't have too much because otherwise it can be too liquidy, and if you have too little then it will be too strong.
So yeah, I'm just going to pour this into our mixture. So that's quite a simple one. Okay, and then we're just going to
carry on stir
it a little bit more, just so you know the hot and cold mix together.
We just want to allow this to cool.
Yeah, we don't want to put it in the fridge whilst it's still warm.
Because otherwise it can mean the fridge temperature drops, making the fridge less effective and therefore taking longer to cool. It says to refrigerate until set, and it takes about 3 hours but basically just till set.
Just till it's set. But it's quite upsetting because you keep looking in the fridge hoping it's going to be set, but then it's not and you just want your jelly. Okay, so we're going to stop mixing that now.
And we're just going to wait for that to cool. We're going to wait for it to cool for about, how long? 20 minutes?
And then we're going to put it in the fridge until it's set.
So this will be like 20 minutes for us, but for you it'll only be about 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, so the jelly's cool now, so Anna's going to put it in the fridge.
This is my fridge. I just open the door, it's quite easy.
Okay, so Anna's just clearing a space in her fridge so she can put the jelly in a nice clear space. So she's just placing it in a space in the fridge.
Specially created for the jelly.
Yeah, and then we're just going to close the
door.
fridge.
If you can do that.
If
If,
you
not,
can
get
do
your
that.
mum to do it.
Yeah, you might need adult supervision for this task. But yeah. So now the jelly's in the fridge and we're just going to leave it in there for until it sets, so probably around 3 hours. So we'll end the video when we've got our jelly out and we might film ourselves eating it. Do you think?
Try, yeah, maybe.
Okay.
See you when it gets
bye.
out.